they have little Pac-Man characters that have addition, an addition integer, a subtraction integer, positive, negative times negative, it'll equal a positive. Positive times negative, it'll equal a negative. Negative times positive, negative. And when multiplying or dividing with two integers,
Step one, well, what we do first is we write it as like addition. So -6, we change the -3 to a 3 because it's the opposite. And then we add, which would be
right here, and some subtracting. And this is the path of integers.
So we wrote what you have to do, like first, second, third, and last. So I wrote first, you write the problem, and then you write the method you're going to use, then you attempt to solve to get your answer, and then last you get your answer.
For mine, on all of them we did all the steps and some examples that you use. So in this one it has the little chart, and this one too.
We have some examples down here for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Can I get 10 people?
-4, and -15 divided by 5 equals -3.
Here we have adding. We have same signs and different signs. Let's start with same signs. Step 1, find the absolute same sign and add the absolute value of each number. The example, 6 plus 9. You'd find the absolute value of 6, which is 6, and the absolute value of 9, which is 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. When you're adding integers of different signs, you keep the sign of the number with the largest absolute value and subtract
Cover your fingers over the signs used in the problem. Whatever sign isn't covered on the sign.
Decided to use an example of was the game in the journal, which is the spinning, but we used pumpkins instead.
Multiplication and division of integers. When multiplying and dividing two integers with same signs,
have like a positive divided by a negative, you would take out these two signs, and then the answer would be a negative. And then when you divide two integers with
and then multiplying and dividing integers. When multiplying or dividing two integers with the same sign, the answer is always positive. So over here it's positive plus times positive equals positive, negative times negative equals positive. And then when multiplying or dividing two integers with different signs, positive and negative, the answer is always negative. So negative times positive equals negative, and positive times negative equals negative. Thank you.
You add it all up or subtract it if you get an other number, and you put it in the sum box, obviously. And then for the game,
Our game, it's kind of like the journal game thing we did last week in our journal. Well, you flick that around and whatever it lands on.
Same thing with dividing integers. Let's say positive 27 divided by -3. It would also be negative, and the answer would be -9. The video is over.